Hey guys, it's Grandma Anna. It's Anna here in my kitchen, and with me are my two oldest grandkids. Say hi.
Hello.
That's Dominic and Caleb. I can't see your face. There you go. Look at my two handsome boys. They are going to be preparing fried chicken dinner, Jollibee style. What's Jollibee? It is the best chicken Filipino fast food, and they are going to make it for dinner tonight. So watch for this video.
Can you get the teaspoon?
Okay, so but before you start, you guys tell me what are you guys gonna be making?
Oh, okay. So we're gonna try to make Jollibee chicken, and we're gonna have spicy, and then we're gonna have non-spicy.
Okay, so what are the ingredients? What's your dry mix?
So we're gonna have
Cayenne
cup
pepper,
flour, cayenne pepper, paprika, garlic powder, salt, and pepper.
And that's your black pepper and salt. And then what do we have there?
We have buttermilk for the wet mix.
Okay, buttermilk and bowl, and oh, this is the one, the flour. And we're using chicken drumsticks with rice. Alrighty. Okay. So let's see. You're gonna use the flour first?
Yeah, we're gonna put all the dry stuff.
Okay. Why don't you put all the spices here first and then you slowly add your flour?
So,
And there's Daddy Jan. The boys are recording their Jollibee. So say hi, Jan.
Hello.
Oh, you gotta double it, okay?
double it?
Chicken?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
You have to double it because we have a lot of chicken, okay? So that's paprika. Okay. Salt is there. Use the pepper first. Caleb, participate. You gotta mix.
So I got pepper and stuff. Okay, so I just use the same.
Yes. Oh, come on. Be generous with your pepper.
Yeah.
Yeah. If I know Caleb will just dump everything. Okay, what next?
Salt. I don't need too much.
Remember, we have a lot of chicken. Okay. Garlic powder.
how much we put in?
Just
So these two boys who are both 13 years old, and in what grade are you? Grade 8. Who just came from a major workout, getting all their guns developed, and now they're making a protein dinner, right? Okay, what are you looking for, honey?
we need 2 cups of flour.
Flour is right here, but you're forgetting. Oh, okay. You're forgetting one more ingredient.
Oh, yes.
Here you go, Kel.
Like barely.
It's okay. We don't.
Is there anything inside, actually?
Just use all of it.
Yeah, I use all of it.
Ooh, yeah.
Okay, you can put that in the recycling bin. Perfect. Okay. And then next, here's your flour.
So should I tell you 2 cups right before?
You just put 2 cups first, and then see, right? So you're just going to make an estimate on how much you really need. Let's use them first. Careful, it's still.
This is nice. Let the master do it, okay? Oh my shit.
So good. It's just flour. So you have to slide it because if you compress it, you're making it heavier. Okay. Perfect. And then now you're gonna use that white spoon to mix your dry rub or dry ingredients.
Open up.
Oh, it's the flour.
Okay.
Flour keeps like launching at me.
Okay. So the boys, what's that?
This is
Show it on camera.
This is onion.
Okay, very good. It's okay. Because you're gonna wear gloves and then you're gonna rub it like that, right? Oh, be generous. When you're cooking, you gotta be extra. Just not too salty. One more, Baba. Get the round one. Yeah. Perfect. There you go. Okay, so meanwhile, I'm gonna have the boys wear their gloves so that they're not holding raw meat. And we're also going to prepare the frying pan. Okay, one of the things that I want to teach the boys is to learn how to clean as you go. That's what 13-year-old kids do. Okay, so please close the lids. Come on. Okay, tighten those lids. You want to keep your spices tight so that they stay fresh. All right, so what's the next step? Let's put this away.
We mix all the dry mix chicken.
All right, so Dominic is going to mix the spices together. Okay, Caleb,
Yeah.
what did Grandma teach you? How do you make buttermilk?
You get like milk and I think vinegar.
That's right. And what happens when you add milk and vinegar? It curdles because of acid reaction.
Acid reaction.
That's right.
Yeah, you knew it. You knew it.
Yeah.
I give little tips so that they can learn some of the tricks of the trade. So when you actually mix your chicken banana, can you do the chicken banana? Chicken banana. Come on! I'm gonna try you guys out. You have to dunk this in the buttermilk. It helps with keeping your chicken tender and juicy. Go ahead, Kale. Yeah, and then you just move it to the side. No, just put it there. And then you just, one by one, try to soak it in.
All of them? Wow.
Yeah, keep going.
Are you gonna post this?
Yeah.
On your account?
No, on YouTube. To get 5 million viewers because I'm gonna make money off you guys.
That's kind of like chocolate watermelon.
Yeah, I'm gonna monetize on you. Okay, keep going, sweetheart.
I know.
Next one. Now, do we need an extra bowl to put all the... What's this?
So we're gonna need a tray.
Oh, tray.
Yeah. Okay, keep doing that and I'm gonna get the tray. Okay, so Caleb is almost done with soaking the chicken in buttermilk, which looks amazing. And while he's soaking that, Dominic is going to be breading the chicken. And my suggestion, while they're doing that, we also have the Salad Master 5-quart wok heating up in the stove because we want it to be very hot. Good job, Kale. Okay. Very good.
Shout. Why's guys getting really yelling?
I know. Maybe kind not just like.
Maybe she's fighting with her own again. Got it?
So now, yeah, because you're doing the dry coating, so you get one piece at a time. Come on. And then toss it. Okay, so you have to make sure that it's nicely laid out here. That's nice. Perfect.
Oh,
Check
that's
that
so
out.
good.
Okay. Keep going. So remember, we're making half regular and half spicy.
So we need a bowl of some sort of spices.
Yeah, so what you want to do is do the regular first, and then the last half, we load up with pepper, with spices. Or,
We're not gonna do sauce.
oh, you
We have like a type of sauce.
oh, okay, well, we'll see. Move closer, honey.
Caleb and
Oh.
me made a Jollibee chicken.
What was that for? You should keep your hands clean. Because you're the one who's gonna be, no, I'll be the one dunking it in the oil. so it's safer. Gently, Baba, so that you're not splashing all over. Actually, Caleb, can you do me a favor and put this in the sink?
Yeah.
Thank you. So learn the principle of clean as you go. Yeah, you can just put it there. I'll take care of washing. You do 2 more and Caleb will do the rest.
2 more?
Yeah.
I don't think we have enough for the spice now. Or no, we have enough.
Yeah, you have. 2
We
more.
don't have
and-
enough space.
Oh, no big space. If that will just get more. How spicy do you want it?
Like how spicy Jolly. So like, it's like spicy where like, but it's not like really bad spicy.
But what kind of spice do we use? Chili powder?
A sauce, some sort of sauce.
Sriracha?
Maybe.
Okay.
'Cause
I guess we can add the sriracha here, right?
Yeah. Once we're,
You're on the halfway mark.
yeah, this is my last one.
Okay. Probably get 1 more because not everybody can handle the spice. Caleb, honey, can you get the sriracha in the fridge? So the boys want half spicy, half regular and half spicy. So I told them load it up, and we have chili pepper right here. So we're gonna go.
Don't be shy here.
Keep going.
Swish.
Okay. Okay, that's good. You might burn your butt.
Alright.
Okay. And then Caleb can take care of coating it this time, right, Nix?
Sure.
Okay, no, that's good. You mix it, and Caleb will stay on the other side. Oh, I'm so excited! This looks good. You're gonna stay on the other side, Baba. That's okay. We'll wash it. Look at that. It is red and spicy. Okay. Just get one at a time and toss it, okay? See, if you toss it, you won't get that. So remember, you're gonna you're gonna pull that and use the hand, put in a bowl, ball, right? And then turn the other one up. That's it. Inside out. Perfect. And throw. Beautiful, Caleb. That's good. And then once you get all of that sorted out, we are going to fry it.
Awesome. I'm excited.
Yeah.
So we should have put more something in the dry mix.
Like,
Something spicy.
oh no, you have to have regular because some of the kids can. Okay, that's enough.
No, like when we did this, we should kill this.
I know, Caleb, you're obsessing.
No, it's space. Like try to fit those sides and see like this like fit on
There. You still have a lot of space here.
Boom.
Boom. My God, next year I don't even have to prepare dinner because the boys are gonna be. Okay, you've got your last 2 pieces ready to fry. All right, so here we have the chicken all breaded and ready to fry. All right, let's move to the frying section. Okay, so the frying portion I'm gonna take over because I want to make sure that the boys are safe. So what we're gonna do is come over here. There's the chicken. Where are you? There's the chicken. Handsome. Actually, they're not looking at my hands. So now we're gonna put the chicken here.
Could I have one? No. No.
There you go. So we're gonna be frying this and then we'll show you the finished product in about 20 minutes. Just actually. Okay. I set the boys away for because this is frying. Because I don't want them to be playing around with hot oil, so we have a picture over from this one. And this is the final product. You want to carry it, both of you? Go close together. Oh my God, this is Dominic and Caleb doing their first fried chicken dinner, Southern style, and you get to taste it. So just get the end, the chicken butt, and then yeah, make a pinch, yeah, so you can taste it, and then you can. Did good?
Yeah.
Of course, because you guys did. Congratulations! And now it is Bon Appetito. Okay. Thanks, guys. Till the next cooking. Closer.